Hello, I'm Tom Nahumi from Dell EMC, and today I'm going to show you a demonstration of failing over to a specific point in time with Dell EMC XtremIO native replication and VMware Site Recovery Manager 8.1. So let's start by going through the XtremIO X2 and vSphere settings. As you can see on the screen, I have two data stores under my source XtremIO cluster, which reside under a replicated consistency group. Navigating to the Data Protection tab, we can see the replication session, which is configured with an RPO of 60 seconds and a retention policy of 60 XVC snapshots for 1 hour. Going to our target XtremIO cluster, we can see the replicated snapshot from the source array. Now let's take a look at my vSphere environment. For the purpose of this demo, I've created 3 Windows virtual machines and protected them with VMware Site Recovery Manager. As you can see, we have the corresponding shadow VMs under the DR vCenter. If we go to the Site Recovery Manager user interface, we can see the protection group and the recovery plan I created in advance. By default, whenever you perform a failover or test failover, Site Recovery Manager will recover the volumes at the target site to the last point in time. The combination of XtremIO X2 native replication and the EMC VSI plugin offers administrators the extremely powerful tool in relation to BCDR planning activities. As long as VMware Site Recovery Manager is tasked with management of XtremIO X2 consistency group and the VSI plugin has been fully integrated, system administrators will have the ability to specify a point-in-time copy used during a Site Recovery Manager test recovery plan or disaster recovery scenarios. This means that their system administrators can actively assign what point-in-time instance of their protected data stores are brought online at the secondary site. This allows them to protect against compromised environments, virus infections, and configurations errors that can go uncaught for some time before leading to organizational IT downtime and possible data loss or corruption. With that, let's demonstrate a virus infection on one of my production Windows virtual machines. At this point, this virus infection is being replicated to my DR site as well. So with the default functionality of Site Recovery Manager, I won't be able to recover my virtual machine. By navigating to the configuration of this virtual machine and selecting the EMC VSI tab, I can now select one of the 60 available recovery points that I created. This, of course, depends on the RPO and retention policy I created at the XtremIO storage level for this specific consistency group. Now, I'm clicking on Set as Site Recovery Manager Recovery Point and click OK. As you can see, it is set as the current Site Recovery Manager recovery point. Now let's go to the Site Recovery Manager user interface and initiate a failover process for our VMware protection group. As you can see, the operation completed successfully. If I go to the target XMS, I can see that the VSI plugin has selected the specific point in time and not the latest one, which contains the infected VM. From the recovery site, I'm opening a console to my virtual machine. As you can see, it recovered to a healthy state when the VM is up and running. I hope you will find this demo useful, and thank you very much for watching.